This tutorial shows you how to install Apache NetBeans IDE 11.2. You can go to download, or you can click find out more. Download. And then we're going to download 64 bits on Windows. Okay, and the installation includes Java and the HTML, PHP. But instead of removing them, I will just say as it is. Next, try to remember which JDK you want to use for NetBeans. I recommend you to use 11 or 13. If you want, you can check for updates. Actually, update is not necessary because it just came out day ago. Finish. You should be able to see icon on your desktop. So let's try to copy path to JDK, because that's where JDK, the Java C compiler, is located. Let's try to locate NetBeans installation directory. NetBeans 11.2, NetBeans etc Again, that means configuration file. I already imported from previous version 11.1, so I don't really have to revise it, but in case, you may need to open text editor as an administrator. Browse through that NetBeans configuration file. Under etc, and go all the way down. Line number 76. You may need to remove the comments at the beginning. Then copy installation directory, which I already have it here. And save it. So that we know that NetBeans is going to launch with Jdk 13.0.1. Just in case. Again, I do have a previous version, so I will import it. Let's create a new project, Java with Ant, Java applications, next. It depends. It may be a bit slow. So wait for a few seconds. Somehow 12.11.2 need to activate Java SE somehow. It wasn't like that 11.1. I'll wait for a few seconds, then everything will be okay. I will use the same project name as it is. My comments is in magenta color. Yours might be gray. Here on the main methods, let me just say system print and print hello world. And then compile and then run it. It's building project, so let me wait for maybe 1 more 2 seconds. Okay, we can see hello world. So for Java platforms, you can see that I installed 13.0.1. When you do Java programming, it might be better to have a local Java documentations on your PC or laptop. So let me show you how to do that. Under Java, here I'm going to copy Jdk documentations. I downloaded with Jdk. Go to Tools, Java Platforms, Java Doc. Then select Java Documents on the Java installation directory and move up. It means that NetBeans will use local documentation rather than try to locate online. So for example, if you click System and then Control Spacebar will bring up Java documentations for API. It's trying to locate local documentation rather than online documentations. Okay, this is what I installed NetBeans 11.2 with Jdk 13.0.1. For options, let's say font and color. Default font size I changed to 16 so that it looks slightly bigger on screen, and the comments I prefer to use magenta rather than gray so it looks more clear on screen. That's what I did. And then output window also I changed the font size to be 16 rather than 12. I think that's all. Thank you.